Hi everyone, Brianna again, and today I want to talk to you guys about carousel posts. Carousel posts are also known as multi-image or multi-photo posts, and they are a social media format that allows users to share multiple images or videos within one single post, which can be viewed by swiping or clicking through. Essentially, it's like a digital slideshow or photo album. So, on to the more important part, how to create your own carousel post. Okay, so starting off with Facebook, you are going to open Facebook and you're going to click what's on your mind. From there, you'll click photo and video, and then this is where you'll start to select your content. Once you select all of the photos that you would like to be in your carousel, you'll hit done. Once you hit done, from here you can go ahead and click choose layout. This is just to change the format of how the photos show up. You can go with classic, or you can click banners, columns, or frames if you want to switch it up. And then from there, you will go ahead and type your content into the box where it says say something about this. This is where you'll type your caption, hashtags, and all of the details about your post. From there, you'll hit next and you'll hit post, and you have a carousel post that you just created on Facebook. To get started with your carousel on Instagram, you're going to want to open the Instagram app first and press the plus button at the bottom to start a new post. Once you do that, you have to click this button here that looks like two squares on top of each other in order to select multiple pieces of content to start your carousel. And all you want to do is select the photos or videos that you want to include in your carousel. Once you do that, you'll hit the next button. I highly suggest adding an audio so that this also shows up as a reel and you reach non-followers. And all you have to do is hit next and start typing your captions, including your hashtags, and tagging anyone if you want to tag them. And there you have a carousel post for Instagram. All you're going to do is hit share and you're done. Now you know how to create a carousel on Instagram and Facebook. So I hope you learned something, and make sure you tell us what other social media things you would like to see on this segment by going ahead and commenting in the chat box. And I'll see you guys next time.